Hey friends, welcome back to On a Stamp Page. My name is Min and I'm super excited that you are here. Thank you to everyone who keeps coming back each time I post something new. I always love hearing your sweet comments and just getting to interact with you. I think that the paper crafting community is just so amazing, and I hope that I give you some ideas that you can use in your own craft room. Today's video is all about another Facebook Friday find. So I found a lady who was giving away all of these different stamp sets that were either religious or they were planner stamps, and she was giving like 7 different sets away for $5. And I was like, you know, I might not be able to use all of those, but I can definitely use some of those. I don't know who made this stamp set. Let me get it in a little bit closer. But I love these giant, I shouldn't say giant, these big words with the little sentiments that you can do in different colors or things like that. And so I thought, yes, I need at least this set. And so I thought $5, why not? I'm getting like 7 sets. I will totally do that. So today we're going to make a quick and simple card. And I pulled a few things that I kind of want to incorporate. So I pulled in some washi tapes. This one says XOXO. This one says let all that you do be done in love, and it's got a wood grain behind it. And I guess I should show you. So here's the XOXO one. Kind of fun. This one says let all that you do be done in love, and it's kind of a skinnier one. And then I've got this really pretty turquoise kind of brocade type pattern. Okay. And I really liked those colors together. And then I knew I wanted my sentiment to be black, so I've got my black Memento ink. And then I have 3 different types of sprinkles from Doodlebug. I've got some glitter sprinkles, some regular glossy sprinkles, and then I have these really cool matte sprinkles. And I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I pulled those because I liked them with the colors. So if you watch my channel, I've kind of been on a let's make things simple type of kick. Let's make things easily mailed, because right now we are in a world where not a lot of people can get out, but people still love happy mail. So my goal for this card today is for it to be as flat as possible, to be easily mailed to a friend somewhere. Could be in the United States, could be somewhere else. But that's what I'm thinking. And I'm thinking I want my sentiment to go at an angle, because then I'm going to add the washi down here and just keep it like kind of in this corner area. Okay. And I think to go along with the theme of my washi tapes, I'm going to do something like always have love. I really like that. And so I'm going to start by stamping that. I've got my block here, and I'm going to position my stamps on here in a straight line the way that I want them to be. All right, so I've got my always have love ready to go, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ink it up with some Memento Tuxedo Black. And one thing I am noticing is that the ink is pulling away from these stamps. I might have to, I don't know, I might have to clean these or sand these down with some sandpaper, but we're going to go with it. We're going to keep our fingers crossed and hope that it works. I don't know actually though, I kind of like that. It looks kind of rustic, kind of like it was like an old newspaper print. So actually I'm not mad at that. I really like that. So I've got that, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my colors. And I think I'm going to start with this beautiful brocade washi tape. And I'm going to fold it onto the inside. Now, if you don't like this on the inside, you can always cut it. But I feel like it stays on better if you go ahead and do that. And I feel like this is really good, but I still feel like it's missing something. One thing that I think I know I want to do is I want to go ahead and round the corners. There's just something cool about rounding the corners of a card. It just makes it look a little bit more finished. So if you don't have a corner rounder, I encourage you to get one. Make it as big or as small as you want, but there's just something, see, it just looks a little bit more finished. And you know what, looking at this, I think we need to have washi across here as well. Oh, how cute. See if I can fold that in without creating an issue for my curve. Yes, I can. All right. Okay, I love, love, love the way this is looking. Like, how cute is that? So nice with the different patterns and then they'll always have love. So the last step is gonna be adding those dots in. And I think that the glitter is gonna be too much for the kind of simplicity of this. I'm kind of wondering about these matte ones. So let's go ahead and play with these and see what we've got. Now, when you're putting on embellishments, it's always good to do them in a triangular pattern because that way it's kind of pleasing to the eye. And if you can see, there's 3 different sizes. So what I always do is I always use a big one, a medium, and a small one. And I always put the big one and the small one together and then the medium kind of by itself. And if you wanted to add more, you can, but I like that just the way that it is. How cute is that? And it will still melt pretty easily. It will have these little dots, but you know, and also if you wanted to add something in here because you didn't like how much white space there was, you could always just add a little bit of that thin washi and like have it stop with the L and then continue if you wanted to. But I'm cool with the way this is. I think it's super cute and I'm really excited to see what else I can make with this stamp set that I got from the Facebook Marketplace. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed watching as I created this card, and I hope that you keep coming back. So please subscribe and ring that little bell so you always get notifications. And until next time, hugs and happy stamping, friends. Bye.